I reckon this is mountain lesson number 50. If I wasn't recording this, I might dance around and celebrate. So, mountain lesson number 50. Today I want to talk about impermanence, the concept of anicca, which is a Sanskrit word which means impermanence or rising and passing away. So pain rises, passes away. Craving rises, passes away. Desire rises, passes away. Heat rises, you might argue it keeps going up, but the seasons rise and pass away. The ocean rises and passes away. So how in control are you of your cravings and your emotions and things that you want and desire? It's so typical for us to go and buy something when we want to do some emotional therapy, or have a glass of wine because we've had a shit day, and it's almost culture now to do that. How about eating and habits and food, and how do you deal with those cravings and those emotions that you have? Something that I learned at the meditation course was about the concept that if you can just observe a feeling, observe a sensation, watch it rise, whether it's pain, whether it's regret, whether it's resentment, whether it's craving for something, whether it's anger at somebody, if you can just create a gap there between the trigger and the response or the reaction, and just let it rise and pass away. And I tell you, when you're sitting on your butt for 11 hours in a meditation hall, you don't have much else to do except watch it rise and pass away. So coming up the mountain today, the foothills, I was thinking about decisions I've been making and how I sometimes react, and I've got a lot better at responding instead of reacting. Just ask my kids, I'm getting a lot better at it. But I was reflecting on some of the decisions I've made lately, or the things I've wanted to do, like upgrade my car, stay in bed in the morning, but catching that thought process and going, do you need it or do you want it? Do you have to have it? What if you don't get out of bed? What if you don't take action? What if you start building a lazy habit because you have been thinking about something too long and dwelling on it? So come back to your point, Dan, because you're rambling. Communication strength is going crazy. Next time you have a craving for something, or something that you desire or you want, just stop for a moment, catch that thought, and realize that it's going to go up and it's going to peak, and you're going to really want to take action on it, and then it's going to pass away. Try that. Stop, make some notes, even do a pros and cons list of that thing that you're gonna do or you want to do. Do you need it? Do you want it? Is it an ego thing? Is it keeping up with the Joneses? Or is it just something to nourish you and really feed your soul? Then it might be a good decision. All right, look it up. Anicca, A-N-I-C-H-A. Have an amazing Sunday or Saturday night, wherever you are. And do a happy dance for me.